So it can have more than one contract.
Yeah, as many as. That depends upon the requirement. Look at that perform again. So this is your one more chance to understand upcasting, lead binding and everything. We don't have to downcast here because we do not have any additional method in the teacher, soldier or housewife.
Sir, this concrete and contract behavior only concerns with the methods present in the class, no? Not
Sorry,
variables and not.
not variables, methods.
Yes, that's what I'm asking. It only
Concrete
concerns.
behavior? Yeah. Concrete behavior means methods, non-abstract
Yeah.
methods.
Okay.
And contract means abstract method.
So can we inherit abstract class from the abstract class?
Sorry, can we?
Inherit abstract class.
That scenario, let me show you. वो कैसे होगा? Suppose abstract class A है, and in that you have abstract void fun1. That example also you will get wherever you see Java code. Suppose you have 4 abstract methods here. Now the rule is, by rule, child class. Suppose we have class B extends A. By rule, B must define all the methods. Public void fun1, public void fun2, fun3 and fun4, right? That is the rule. But due to some reason, class B does not want to define fun3 and fun4. So if class B wants to do that, that means class B would like to fulfill partial contract, fun1 and fun2. That class doesn't want to define fun3 and fun4, so that's allowed on one condition. We have to make class B also abstract. Now it is allowed. If class B is not abstract, then it must define all 4 functions. So this example also you will get in JDK implementation in case of inbuilt classes. Okay, so this is the example of abstract class. Okay. We were in 32. Okay. Demo 32. Abstract class shape. It has got one contract. It has to be fulfilled by all the child classes: triangle, circle, rectangle, and then perform. Now, before discussing this example, we discuss what is abstract class, what is the requirement of abstract class, why we need that method abstract in that person class. Now we are straight away into that example, which is the example of abstract class. Here you don't have concrete behavior. That's okay, fine. Here you just have one contract. But because of this contract, the class has to be abstract. So demo 32 is this. perform method. Rep.draw. Rep.draw is called as polymorphic invocation because polymorphism happens here. Now, you know, when we started our Java discussion, after some time we discussed object-oriented concepts, class, object, the difference between class, object, then abstraction, encapsulation. We saw real-life examples. Now, polymorphism. We have already seen what is polymorphism, definition of polymorphism. Definition of polymorphism. You will see here. Polymorphism is an ability to appear in multiple forms. It refers